Hello my friends and Merry Christmas! What is my task for today? Nikos, I don't eat in the Christmas dinner the stuffed turkey. Can you show me another version of this plate? But I am allergic to sun-dried fruit, I am allergic to the wheat, and also I am allergic to the nuts. Let's go to the kitchen. Let's make this nice recipe for this day, for the Christmas day. We will cook a nice rooster stuffed with leeks, sweet potatoes and sour cherries. Let's start together, my friends. We chop the leeks. We turn on the heat. The sweet potatoes is already chopped in nice small cubes. And we sort it all together. We turn off the fire. We will not cook our stuffing over 2 minutes. Then we will take the rooster, we will put some liquor, the whole grain mustard, and then salt, pepper. We'll stuff it with this nice sweet mix and then in the oven. The rooster is ready. The rest of the stuffing, we'll keep it and we'll add it 1 hour before we end the rooster in the oven. Now, some white wine, a little bit olive oil, cooking paper, aluminum foil, and we'll take it in the oven for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we'll take it out, we'll take it over the rooster, and then we'll put again the baking paper and the aluminum foil for 1 hour more. So we have 2 hours. The third hour, we'll put the rest of the stuffing. After 3 hours, our rooster is gonna be amazing. Oh my God, it looks amazing. I can't wait to try this amazing rooster. Oh my god, it's unbelievable again. It's so delicious. Oh, the meat is so tender. The stuffing is so full of flavors. My friends, Merry Christmas. See you.